So the ingredients here to make pakoda is some ground flour, also known as chickpea flour. We also have
200
turmeric.
grams.
200 grams. We have chili and turmeric. We have potatoes, chili, so green chilies diced up, onions, spinach, salt,
Taste of salt.
and also this thing called
Ajwan.
it's called carom seeds, ajwan. Now we're going to be mixing all the ingredients together. So place your potatoes in the flours like so,
Green chilies.
along with the diced green chilies,
Onions.
the onions, and then spinach. Then we're going to add the chili and the turmeric.
Spices.
Then we add some salt, like so. Once it's mixed through, we add some water.
Half cup of water. Like
So half a cup of water
and
to combine all the ingredients together. Then we're going to add some of this seed stuff. Let me find out the name for you. And what's the name? Carom seeds, isn't it?
Asamoda gangata.
Asamoda gangata. Carom seeds. So keep mixing it so it looks like this. Now we're ready to fry. So mold it together like this.
Yes.
Or not. And yeah, just put it to fry. Look at it sizzle. So as they're frying, you need to make sure both sides cook evenly, so just flip it like so. So now this is pretty much done. Just transfer it across to a serving plate. So we're using a little bit of a kitchen towel to drain off the excess oil. But look at it. Ladies and gents, Pakora. Love it.